Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria, and let's have this topic. Solving equations transformable to quadratic equations. Then we have this given, so perform the indicated operation, then express the answer in a simplest form. So for this given, since we only have these two fractions or two rational expression, so we can use the cross multiplication. So multiply this x times 2x. So we have x times 2x. Then plus this 1 times 5. Then equals 0. Then simplify. So x times 2x. This one is 2x squared. Then plus 1 times 5. This one is 5. Then equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation. Then for this given, so using cross multiplication, so multiply x times 2x minus 1. So we have x times 2x minus 1. Then minus this 4 times 5. Then equals 0. Then to simplify, so we have this x times 2x. This one is 2x squared. X times negative 1, that's negative x. And this negative 4 times 5, that's negative 20, then equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation. And for this given, so using cross multiplication, so multiply this 3 times x plus 1. So 3 times x plus 1, then plus this 2x times x, so we have 2x times x, then equals 0. Then to simplify, so 3 times x, this one is 3x. 3 times 1, that's positive 3. Then plus this 2x times x, that's 2x squared, then equals 0. Then we need to arrange this equation, so starts with the highest exponent. So we have this 2x squared plus 3x plus 3, then equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation. Then for this given, so using cross multiplication, so multiply this 2x times x plus 1. So we have 2x times x plus 1. Then plus this x minus 5 times x minus 2. So x minus 5 times x minus 2, then equals 0. Then simplify, so 2x times x, that's 2x squared. 2x times 1, that's positive 2x. Then plus, on this case, so x times x, that's x squared. Then this x times negative 2, negative 2x. Negative 5 times x, negative 5x, and negative 5 times negative 2. So negative times negative, that's positive. So positive 5 times 2, that's 10. Then equals 0. Then we need to combine like terms. So we can combine these two x squared and x squared. Since for x squared, there is a 1 numerical coefficient, so that's 2 plus 1, that's 3. So we have this 3 x squared. Then for this positive 2x and negative 2x, this one is 0. And we also have this negative 5x, so minus 5x. Then this positive 10x equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation. Then for this given, so multiply this x plus 1 times 2. So we have this x plus 1 times 2. Then minus this x times x plus 2. So x times x plus 2 then equals 0. Then simplify. So we have this x times 2. This one is 2x. And 1 times 2, that's positive 2. Then for this negative x times x, this one is negative x squared. And this negative x times 2, that's negative 2x, then equals 0. Then combine like terms. So since this one is positive 2x and this is negative 2x, so therefore this one is 0. So we have now this negative x squared plus 2 equals 0. Then to make this first term positive, so we just need to multiply this whole equation by negative 1. So this negative 1 times negative x squared, so this becomes positive x squared. And this negative 1 times positive 2, so this positive 2 becomes negative 2, then equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation.